I went through with WSOS. I used to help other people find employment, and there was a lot of people that were going through the program and coming out successful. And I decided that I wanted to do something different, and I signed up with the program.
I was approached about entering into a mechatronics program from a customer that I had sold a car to while working at a car dealership. And we had had a couple of conversations over a few months and stayed in contact. And I had left the dealership because I wanted more out of life and was feeling like this is not what I want to do for the rest of my life, and trying to figure it out. And one thing led to another in the conversation, and she asked me if I was interested in going to school.
This program I like because it would be fast-paced. I would go into class and learn, and then go into the internship and be able to apply what I've learned. The fact that you can go to class for part of the time and then go to work and earn some extra money.
It was about learning something that I had never learned before. I'd spent 20 years in medicine in different roles of my adult life, and it's just time for a change, putting life in a different direction. And it just seemed like I like to work with my hands. I like to fix things. I enjoy that. I don't know that much about, or I didn't know that much about the things that I've learned about. So it was just kind of intriguing that way.
I would like to continue my education, actually go probably into the engineering, the electrical engineering field.
My next step today, at this moment, is to enroll at Northwest State in the spring semester. I'm going to continue on and get an associate degree in applied science and industrial technology with a focus on programmable logic control. That's something in our PLC class. I found that to be something challenging that I wanted to learn about, and I was hungry to learn about. And through conversations with the advisors here and the instructor, and this seems like the path that I'm going to go.
Some of the things that you might have learned out in the field of doing the internship, you're able to apply, or you are already knowledgeable about it, so that when you see it in the book material, you have the full understanding. Because sometimes when you're doing the reading of the material and you don't have the experience, you really don't know exactly what they mean unless you're trying to look up on YouTube and look videos up. But other than that, it actually gives them a hands-on experience.
I'm 49 years old, and I've changed the direction, so to speak, and it's never too late. And fear of the unknown is what stops us from doing anything. And it's when we step into that fear and we face that fear and we walk through that fear, that's when we grow. That's when we become who we're supposed to be. And everybody, if you're in the dead-end job and you're not feeling fulfilled with your job, that's not where you belong. Find it somehow and just start doing it, because through this program I found something that I didn't ever think I would be interested in doing. So you just never know where the opportunity is going to come from, but you got to get up and you got to do it. You got to step, you got to walk, and you got to leave everything behind. As one of my instructors, my electrical instructor, he said, you have to decide if you want it and how bad you want it. And if you want it bad enough, you just commit to it and you do whatever it takes to get it done.